The following program is a paid commercial announcement sponsored by America's Next Investment.
Artificial intelligence is transforming the world, but AI needs something critical to grow: infrastructure. Introducing BluSky Ai, a company developing modular AI factories designed to accelerate deployment of high-density AI computers. Through its SkyMod architecture and planned NeoCloud network, BluSky Ai is working to help meet the growing demand for AI infrastructure across the United States. As AI adoption accelerates, companies across industries are seeking greater access to computing power. BluSky Ai is positioning itself to serve that demand. Call now, scan the QR code, or visit invest.blueskyidatacenters.com to learn how you can invest in AI infrastructure with BluSky Ai.
Welcome to America's Next Investment. Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is transforming nearly every industry on Earth. But there's one major challenge. The infrastructure needed to power AI simply isn't being built fast enough. Today, we're featuring BluSky Ai, a company developing modular AI factories designed to accelerate deployment of AI compute infrastructure. The company believes the next wave of AI growth won't simply be built by software. It will be built by the infrastructure behind it. Let's take a closer look.
You're watching America's Next Investment, featuring BluSky Ai. The opportunity to invest in the infrastructure powering AI's next growth wave.
This company is addressing AI's biggest problem, and today you can invest in them. BluSky Ai builds modular AI factories called SkyMods that can be installed in as little as 12 months, while traditional data centers take 3 to 7 years. The US needs 3 times the current data centers to meet today's demand, putting BluSky Ai in the perfect position to scale operations. With 10+ sites under contract and more in development, now's the chance to claim your stake in a company building the future of AI infrastructure. Click through to learn more.
Joining me now is Trent D'Ambrosio, founder and CEO of BluSky Ai. Trent, thank you so much for joining us today.
Amanda, thanks for having us. Very excited to be here today.
Can you tell us a little bit about your background and what led you to found BluSky Ai?
Absolutely. I started early on in data center development and data communications, first iterations of what we know as data centers, and that's really what initiated and brought us to where we are today.
What problem did you identify in the AI market?
Traditional data centers were taking large land footprints, large power needs, and taking years to deploy and develop. That was stifling the infrastructure and the deployment of the necessary infrastructure to expand the AI marketplace. When we identified that constraint, we developed a system that was more readily deployable, less impactful to local communities, more collaborative with what we're seeing today, and just utilizing a smaller footprint.
Why is AI creating such massive demand for compute capacity?
It operates differently than traditional data and what we know as data, the streaming services or cloud or storage or how we operate today. It takes large language models, extensive amount of data, and compiles that and creates solutions. So it operates dramatically different, and it requires significantly more compute to do that.
So having this information, why are traditional data centers struggling to keep up?
Amanda, the constraint in the U.S. power grid is one of the primary struggles that we have in the data center development space. It just is outpacing what is available today. So our focus is on that smaller footprint and trying to utilize existing attributes within that U.S. power grid to benefit communities as a whole.
Why is compute becoming one of the most valuable assets in technology?
Yeah, that's a transition. When we talk about an extremely valuable asset in compute, this processing power, the GPU is what we call that, is the asset which drives that infrastructure to make it deliverable to that end user of AI. So that is really that raw material that makes this a practical application for everyday life.
So we hear all this talk everywhere about investing into AI companies. Why are companies investing so heavily into AI infrastructure?
It's simply a demand-driven issue again. The demand for AI is so exponential, and the rate at which it's growing and has grown, we just don't have the capacity to supply that. And I'm not certain if we even know, as the developer of AI infrastructure, if we know how big that demand model really is. So we're trying to catch up with demand.
AI does seem like a very attractive opportunity.
AI is a very unique opportunity. We're capitalizing on the growth in the AI marketplace by developing the infrastructure, that backbone necessary for AI to operate efficiently and effectively.
How large could the AI infrastructure market become over the next decade?
Well, I don't know if we can answer that. I don't know if industry experts can answer that. Maybe we need to ask AI itself to tell us how big. That growth is so dramatic, and the applications are being developed hourly, daily, monthly. It's just unpredictable, but it's definitely part of our lives and is going to be exceptionally large.
So how does the growth in AI potentially benefit BluSky AI?
Well, this ever-expanding marketplace is a huge opportunity for any provider, and BluSky AI being one of them. If we look at the size of the marketplace, the world as a whole, and who knows what percentage will be using AI, we just take a small segment of that and we'll capitalize on that, be a provider in the marketplace in conjunction with many others, be a very collaborative front with everybody in the industry.
So Trent, a very important question for me and all the investors out there. Why do you believe timing is so crucial right now?
Well, it's back to that opportunity, man, and we believe that preparation at BluSky AI has allowed us to align with that opportunity and really take advantage of this exponential growth and demand in the marketplace. We're very excited to be positioned where we are to capitalize on what's taking place in the industry.
It's clear AI is driving extraordinary demand for computing power, but identifying a problem is only the first step. Next, we'll discuss BluSky's AI solution and how the company plans to address this growing infrastructure challenge. To learn more about BluSky AI and its vision for the future of AI infrastructure, call the number on your screen or scan the QR code. We'll be right back.
The United States is in desperate need of AI data centers, and today, you can invest in the company in a unique position to benefit. BluSky AI builds modular AI factories called SkyMods that can be installed in as little as 12 months, while traditional data centers take 3 to 7 years. The US needs 3 times the current data centers to meet today's demand, putting BluSky AI in the perfect position to scale operations. With 10+ sites under contract and more in development, now's the chance to claim your stake in a company building the future of AI infrastructure. Click through to learn more.
Artificial intelligence is transforming the world, but AI needs something critical to grow: infrastructure. Introducing BluSky AI, a company developing modular AI factories designed to accelerate deployment of high-density AI computers. Through its SkyMod architecture and planned NeoCloud network, BluSky AI is working to help meet the growing demand for AI infrastructure across the United States. As AI adoption accelerates, companies across industries are seeking greater access to computing power. BluSky AI is positioning itself to serve that demand. Call now, scan the QR code, or visit invest.blueskyidatacenters.com to learn how you can invest in AI infrastructure with BluSky AI.
Welcome back. Trent, let's talk about BluSky AI's solution. You've introduced something called a SkyMod. Trent, what is a SkyMod?
The SkyMod is a proprietary design of ours. It is a prefabricated modular data center that we build off-site and deliver ready for operation to our pre-powered land.
Why does BluSky AI choose a modular architecture?
Simply speed to market and the size and footprint that we utilize. Those are some key attributes, and the scalability associated with it, Amanda. Traditional data centers are quite large and complex in their build and design. It takes multiple years, up to 7 years in some cases, to build and deploy a large data center facility. Our time to market, and because we build a prefabricated modular design off-site, we can accelerate that into 12 to 18 months.
Wow, that is very fast.
Yep.
What type of customers could use SkyMods?
Anyone and everyone. It is not one size fits all. We will, again, the smallest developer in AI to the enterprise customer, and who knows what other entities across the world will need it.
Wow, that sounds like an incredible opportunity.
Yeah, it is, Amanda. And for us, we're positioned in the right place at the right time, we believe, and to take advantage of this marketplace. And as previously stated, you ask who is going to utilize or why is BluSky going to be in demand? It was a customer-specific question. And again, it's everyone and anyone. Specific applications could include autonomous driving, maybe image enhancement for your social media posts, to co-location, maybe at a higher education facility for research or medical opportunities we don't even know that exist today. So any and all of those customers. And we've seen some uses by governments across the US, maybe a private network for banking. So we just really don't even know. These opportunities are developing daily, hourly, and we're very excited to be part of that and help co-develop these solutions.
So this is a very large market.
Yes, and these multi-billion-dollar opportunities that are developing daily really presents itself to take advantage of in today's marketplace.
BluSky AI's modular approach is designed to accelerate deployment while reducing many of the challenges associated with traditional large-scale data center construction. Coming up next, we'll discuss the business model, growth strategy, and how BluSky AI plans to scale across the United States.
Artificial intelligence is transforming the world, but AI needs something critical to grow: infrastructure. Introducing BluSky AI, a company developing modular AI factories designed to accelerate deployment of high-density AI computers. Through its SkyMod architecture and planned Neo-Cloud network, BluSky AI is working to help meet the growing demand for AI infrastructure across the United States. As AI adoption accelerates, companies across industries are seeking greater access to computing power. BluSky AI is positioning itself to serve that demand. Call now, scan the QR code, or visit invest.BluSkyAIDataCenters.com to learn how you can invest in AI infrastructure with BluSky AI.
This company is addressing AI's biggest problem, and today you can invest in them. BluSky AI builds modular AI factories called SkyMods that can be installed in as little as 12 months, while traditional data centers take 3 to 7 years. The US needs 3 times the current data centers to meet today's demand, putting BluSky AI in the perfect position to scale operations. With 10+ sites under contract and more in development, now's the chance to claim your stake in a company building the future of AI infrastructure. Click through to learn more.
Welcome back. BluSky AI has outlined a significant roadmap for future growth. Let's discuss how that growth strategy works with Dan Gay, Chief Operating Officer of BluSky AI. Dan, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much, Amanda. We're enthused to be here today.
Tell us a little bit about your background.
I have a background in leadership positions in telecommunications, blockchain, data centers. I spent about 15 years at MCI Telecommunications, which gave me a great opportunity to develop call centers, sales forces, and to be in charge of national accounts, mid-markets, et cetera, which has prepared me for this opportunity here.
What attracted you to BluSky AI?
Well, obviously Trent. Trent D'Ambrosio and I actually, our careers have migrated around each other in quite a few different companies, and just the opportunity to work with Trent was an amazing one. We started working on large-scale, hyperscale data centers, and thanks to Trent's vision, we pivoted into this BluSky AI opportunity that we're talking about here today. We provide the infrastructure for AI to scale up, enterprise companies.
What is GPU as a service?
A GPU is a type of chip that allows for the workloads that are needed for AI. So we provide a rental, per se, of those GPUs because they're quite expensive, $56,000 or more per GPU, and most companies can't afford the millions of dollars needed just to process their AI. So we provide a cost-effective solution for them to integrate their AI and to distribute that AI within their company and their customer base.
How do long-term customer agreements fit within the model?
We couldn't grow to the massive scale that we're planning without long-term commitments and contracts. And the average is between 5 and 7 years. And with that, it's almost like a real estate investment trust or a REIT, where you have a long-term customer that you can rely upon, you can build upon, and as you continue to add more customers, you're able to build and grow. And it's very predictable in that kind of a model.
What milestones has BluSky AI achieved so far?
Oh my gosh, in the last 2 years, it's been an amazing couple of years that Trent and I have had. Number one is our team. We have an amazing management team, and we're adding new board members today. We were able to go public on the OTC marketplace, and we have additional plans for uplisting and continuing moving forward. And also, one very important thing is just our portfolio. We have over 10 current sites with what we need to be able to scale and grow, and we have more in the future to come.
So speaking of the portfolio, can you discuss a little bit about the planned site portfolio?
Yes, I definitely can. So we're a distributed company, meaning that we don't have one giant data center in one spot. So with multiple locations spread across the country, we're able to focus on what's called inferencing. You don't want to be in California and have your data center in New York City. You need very quick speeds for your AI.
Why pursue a distributed network strategy?
That's a great question. That strategy supports what is happening in AI today, which is inferencing. In the past, 80% of everything done in AI was in large language learning, and that has flip-flopped, and now is the time for inference, and you need to be close to the edge, close to where that compute is happening, and it's very important to have multiple locations to be able to support that in the future.
What are the next major milestones for BluSky AI?
For us, our milestone number one is to develop our sites, and that's very important because in-service compute is a part that provides value to our customers and value to our stockholders.
What does success look like over the next couple of years?
Success for us, we've got a real opportunity because Goldman Sachs has stated by the end of this year, we will be at 100% compute capacity for AI, meaning that in the next 3 years, customers are going to be looking for compute, whereas we have the opportunity to fulfill those commitments.
So why is now such an important moment for execution?
Now is our time to take our shot. Trent and I have developed other companies. We've developed many different revenue sources in the past, and we see this as a true opportunity for us. We've got a 3-year opening that allows us in a constricted market to excel and accelerate our revenues and benefit our investors.
So Dan, seeing that AI is everywhere and you can't go anywhere without AI being on your phone or right in your face, no matter where you are, what do you think makes BluSky AI so attractive to potential investors?
I think number one is the repeatability. So with each SkyMod unit, with 1 megawatt per SkyMod unit, we can connect those SkyMod units on a specific location. We can interconnect those across the country, and we're able to scale. We also have partnerships that we've developed over the years that allow us, instead of having to hire a lot of people that we have to manage, we're able to rely upon those partnerships to allow us to grow. So Trent and myself and our management team are able to focus on that growth versus focusing on managing employees. And that's a very important part to our growth strategy.
AI adoption continues to accelerate, and infrastructure remains one of the key components enabling that growth. Next, we'll discuss the future vision for BluSky AI and why management believes this opportunity is only getting started.
The United States is in desperate need of AI data centers, and today, you can invest in the company in a unique position to benefit. BluSky AI builds modular AI factories called SkyMods that can be installed in as little as 12 months, while traditional data centers take 3 to 7 years. The US needs 3 times the current data centers to meet today's demand, putting BluSky AI in the perfect position to scale operations. With 10+ sites under contract and more in development, now's the chance to claim your stake in a company building the future of AI infrastructure. Click through to learn more.
Artificial intelligence is transforming the world, but AI needs something critical to grow: infrastructure. Introducing BluSky AI, a company developing modular AI factories designed to accelerate deployment of high-density AI computers. Through its SkyMod architecture and planned NeoCloud network, BluSky Ai is working to help meet the growing demand for AI infrastructure across the United States. As AI adoption accelerates, companies across industries are seeking greater access to computing power. BluSky Ai is positioning itself to serve that demand. Call now, scan the QR code, or visit invest.blueskyidatacenters.com to learn how you can invest in AI infrastructure with BluSky Ai.
Now let's talk about the future with Trent and Dan. Trent and Dan, it is so nice to have you guys here today. Where do you see AI 5 years from now?
Thanks for having us back. We're excited to be here.
Absolutely. Thank you, Amanda. Great to be here.
I believe that AI will go from a reactive model to an autonomous model where it will be making complex actions and decisions for us.
What industries could be transformed next?
Dan, you want some of that?
Yeah, I'll take some of that.
Healthcare for sure.
Yeah, healthcare, I've heard that just one day is equivalent to an entire lifespan of researchers globally in AI. Advertising, customer service, in any industry that you can think of is being helped and built based on AI.
You know, and we do need to look at this fear associated with wholesale replacement of the workforce, which really will not take place.
You know, true, Trent. When I think about any technology advancement, whether it's the car replacing the horse and buggy or any other technology, when cars came on the scene, then you need auto mechanics. You need a whole, network of different things just to support that new technology. And it will be no different with AI. There are new jobs that we didn't even know existed.
How important do you think infrastructure will be to that growth?
Well, BluSky AI will be a key component of that growth because it is an infrastructure provider. So BluSky AI will plan to provide that key infrastructure that will allow AI to grow and excel.
What role can modular deployment play?
Dan, you want that?
Absolutely. Yeah, our SkyMod solution is an important ingredient to this because it allows us to scale faster. It allows us to meet the demands of AI as of today versus in 3, 5, or 7 years that is really plaguing the industry. So we have a solution that we as a company are going to continue to expand and continue to benefit our investors.
How do you see demand evolving?
As we continually reinvent the purpose of AI and the utilization of AI, the infrastructure and the demand will continue to grow to fill that need. There are specific use cases developing every day that are new and innovative.
Why are enterprises moving towards an AI adoption?
Well, it'll be a necessity of the future. It's not a no longer wait and see. It's a have to remain competitive and utilize what's out there and be a provider on equal footing.
How does BluSky AI plan to evolve?
As the market grows, so will we. As technology changes, we're early adopters. We're not afraid. We'll use core, trusted, and true technologies.
And to that point, Trent, because we have distributed network with multiple locations, we're not pigeonholed to one data center ordering all of your technology at one point in time. As we continue to build and grow, we're harnessing technology in the future to allow us to continue to scale and provide the right types of solutions to our customers.
I'm sure everyone watching at home wants to know how big you guys believe BluSky AI can become.
Boy, that's a challenging question. I mean, BluSky AI can deploy modular prefabricated sites anywhere that power exists in small scale or large scale. It can be on a university to a hospital to a house.
Our solution interconnects with each other, and each of those sites interconnect with all the other sites. So we have an unlimited opportunity as the scale of AI continues to build and grow around the country and the world. So a kind of unprecedented opportunity, don't you think, Trent?
Agreed.
What makes this an exciting time for the company?
Just the industry as a whole, Amanda. I mean, at the rate we're growing and expanding and garnering attention, it's just at a very, very unique time in the industries. I mean, we've all seen it on the news every day.
What message would you like to give the viewers at home?
Well, BluSky AI plans to deliver high-performance AI compute that's accessible, fast to deploy, and scalable. That's the real message we're in. That's our business mantra.
And for the first time, we're allowing investors to join this journey with us. And it's not about just institutions. Anyone can join this journey as we continue to move forward.
Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thank you for having us, Amanda. It's been fabulous.
Absolutely. Thank you, Amanda.
It's clear that artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It's happening right now. As AI adoption accelerates across every industry, the demand for the infrastructure powering the growth continues to expand. BluSky AI is developing the next generation of AI infrastructure through its planned network of modular AI factories and neo-cloud architecture. To learn more about the investment opportunity with BluSky AI and its vision for the future of AI infrastructure, call the number on your screen or scan the QR code now, or visit investblueskyidatacenters.com.
The United States is in desperate need of AI data centers, and today, you can invest in the company in a unique position to benefit. BluSky AI builds modular AI factories called SkyMods that can be installed in as little as 12 months, while traditional data centers take 3 to 7 years. The US needs 3 times the current data centers to meet today's demand, putting BluSky AI in the perfect position to scale operations. With 10+ sites under contract and more in development, now's the chance to claim your stake in a company building the future of AI infrastructure. Click through to learn more.
Artificial intelligence is transforming the world, but AI needs something critical to grow: infrastructure. Introducing BluSky AI, a company developing modular AI factories designed to accelerate deployment of high-density AI computers. Through its SkyMod architecture and planned neo-cloud network, BluSky AI is working to help meet the growing demand for AI infrastructure across the United States. As AI adoption accelerates, companies across industries are seeking greater access to computing power. BluSky AI is positioning itself to serve that demand. Call now, scan the QR code, or visit invest.blueskyidatacenters.com to learn how you can invest in AI infrastructure with BluSky AI.
You're watching America's Next Investment, featuring BluSky AI. The opportunity to invest in the infrastructure powering AI's next growth wave.
Call now to learn how you can invest in AI infrastructure with BluSky AI.
The preceding program was a paid commercial announcement sponsored by America's Next Investment.